In this video, I'm going to show you how to clear browsing data in Microsoft Edge browser. Now, the simplest and short way to go about this is to simply press Ctrl Shift Delete on your keyboard, and you'll be taken to the delete browsing data window. Now, here you have time range, so you can actually choose the time range for which you want to delete the data. So we can come here and choose either last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, or all time. So let's just click on all time. So you can see it has changed here to show all time. And then what you want to do is to check this. So for you, it might not be checked. So what you just have to do is to, in case yours is not looking like mine here, is not checked, you can just click on it. But as you can see, mine is already checked. So I'm going to just leave it that way. Then we have download history also. There's none here. We have cookies and other site data. If you want to delete that, go ahead and leave it this way. But if you do not want to, just go ahead and uncheck it now. And then here also we have this. I'm just going to uncheck, and every other thing is unchecked. So what you want to do now, since you have your download history and browsing data, if you do not want to delete the download history, you can just uncheck it as well, and then leave this just this way, so we can just delete the browsing history. Once this is ready, what you want to do is click on clear now, and as you can see, it has been cleared, right? So browsing history, none. This is just to indicate that the browsing history has been successfully deleted. I hope you found value in this video. If you did, consider subscribing, like, and share as well. Thank you, and see you in the next one.